For many international students, studying MBBS in Bangladesh is not only about earning a degree, it's about building a pathway to global opportunities through licensing exams like USMLE in the United States and PLAB in the United Kingdom. The MBBS curriculum in Bangladesh is designed to align with global medical standards, taught entirely in English, and structured in a way that gives students a strong foundation in both theory and clinical practice. Throughout the 5 years of academic study and the compulsory 1-year internship, students gain extensive exposure to real patients in teaching hospitals, which prepares them to tackle case-based exams like USMLE Step 1, Step 2 CK, and PLAB with confidence. The international recognition of Bangladesh's MBBS degree by WHO, NMC, GMC, and ECFMG ensures that graduates are fully eligible to pursue postgraduate training and practice medicine abroad. Many alumni from Bangladesh's army medical colleges and top private institutions have already cleared these exams and are now working as doctors in the USA, UK, Canada, and the Middle East, proving the credibility of the education system. For students from India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, this pathway is especially attractive because they can achieve their dream at a fraction of the cost compared to studying in Western countries. Fortune Education, the authorized consultant for MBBS in Bangladesh, makes the process seamless by securing admissions in globally recognized colleges and offering guidance on preparing for licensing exams during and after the MBBS journey. To set your medical career on the international stage, contact Fortune Education today at +880 1995529533 or visit www.fortuneedu.org and begin your MBBS in Bangladesh with a clear path to USMLE and PLAB success.